Warning, what you are about to see is freaking awesome. Only for not faint at heart. Do not try this at home.
Alright guys, it's Easter weekend and we have Friday off, so what better than to come out to the range and do some shooting. So let's kick this off. Yes!
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Ooh, just a little above it.
Ooh, you got it.
You hit it. Get the birds. Those are doves. Good. Nope, it's out.
You got it. You hit it.
I hate this DV so much.
Oh God, hate it.
Okay, I'm good. Was that high or low?
Hi.
Okay, I'm good.
Almost had a heart attack.
Yeah, Sean!
Oh God, that TV is gone.
True, Sean.
It is gone.
What do you think about that?
Oh my God. My heart freaking skipped a beat. Oh my. Oh my God. Hey, let's bring that TV up there.
Look,
It's gone.
The TV is,
It is
gone.
Where's the TV? Man, I was gonna try and keep that TV, dang it.
Zoom in on it.
I gotta fight it first.
Ready?
Yep. To the right. High.
but look like you're right center, just high.
Okay.
Whoa!
Hey!
James, you caused a mini avalanche.
Oh my god.
You can feel it.
I know, I felt it back here.
Man, that was awesome. What do you think, James?
What?
Hey, I think I got it on here.
What do you think?
What?
James, sorry.
Disneyland?
Oh, look at this.
Huh? Go about a foot below it.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, right on.
Am I under it though?
Just a little under it. By about an inch or two.
Did you take the cap off?
No, you blew it off.
I blew it off, yeah.
Oh my god!
The chair is gone.
Yes!
I got that on video.
Oh, God.
I got that on video. Oh god.
That was incredible.
Oh man.
God, I could feel that.
Tired of yesterday, should've found a better way. Would you even care? But now you feel like you said his face. You got such a light face. You're so Bobby. I'll take all your life.